All right, make.com. So we finished the first unit, the overview of pagination course. Um, so basically, there's two ways to know how many times you want to repeat the API call. First way is within the first API call, you can get metadata, and it may tell you total something, total not pages, but it's the same thing as pages, um, total items, I think. And then using that total items with items per page, you can calculate how many um, repeats your times you need to call the API function essentially. And so you'll have to start the scenario or before the repeater module, you'll have an HTTP call in order to get this metadata of how many pages and items there are total. If that's not available, you can use the so when you get the return from the API, you can get it will say next in the metadata, so it'll tell you the next page, and it won't say that if there's no next page if it's the last page. So you can use that as well with the filter in order to just keep repeating until there's no more next page. So, and then we started the use case scenario for building out. I believe it's building out one of these pagination scenarios. Yeah. Golly, come on now. What was I thinking of? So far, we've just only looked at the repeater module, and yeah, the repeater module essentially creates a bunch of bundles, um, as many as you say, and then all those bundles get passed to the next module, and they're copies of the same bundle. So pretty interesting. Um, repeater module. You also get an incrementing value that you can change, index value, increment that you can increment, index value that you can increment based on whatever incrementation steps you want, and that's outside of the times it repeats. It's for just marking, labeling the output bundles, essentially keeping them distinct. So that's it for today. I'm gonna talk to you tomorrow. See ya.